So you have your deep blue rub sample, and here is how to use it. So this sample has 3 applications in there. You only need a very small amount. So you're going to take a pea-sized amount of deep blue rub, and you're going to apply it to wherever your area of tension is. So if it's the shoulder area, we're going to then rub that in to the area where you're feeling the tension. You can give it a little massage at the same time, or wherever that tension is. The deep blue is fantastic for any sort of muscular tension, joint pain, headaches, tension headaches, really also good for growing pains. So a lovely one to just apply topically wherever the area of the pain is. You can really target it with your deep blue rub. So as I say, 3 applications in your sachet. It's also on the cologne list. So if you are a professional athlete, this is absolutely allowed to be able to be used and to improve your muscular and joint health. So enjoy your deep blue rub.